Hello, this is Ed Roselle out here again, and we're going to talk about, in this video, we're going to talk about why it is we give away software. So, if you saw a previous video on why and what is affiliate marketing, then you'll begin to understand why it's so important to give away software. We're talking about we're using ClickFunnels as a product that is designed to make it easy to build landing pages, or you can even build full-blown websites, webinars, all kinds of things from a ClickFunnel. But there's three reasons that I believe that giving away software is prudent. First of all, a ClickFunnel can be shared. Once it's completed and tested and operational, it can be shared and given to someone else. Now, by nature, a shared ClickFunnel is duplicatable. In other words, that funnel can be with some simple modifications to fit into their ClickFunnel copy, their ClickFunnel account. With a few modifications, that funnel can be tailored to their needs, their business, whatever, and it's a very simple process. So a duplicatable system, it can be shared and given away, and it can happen over and over and over again until so many people have a copy of it. It's out there, and there are some that have been around a long time that are actually in that category. The second point as to why this is important is because that funnel, the duplicatable funnel, becomes a training platform. Just the fact that they download a funnel, which when they download it, it's operational and can be run and do its job just the way it was before they downloaded it, before they downloaded their share copy. But for them to have an advantage, it needs to be modified to their business. So just the effort of going through that funnel, doing some of the very simple mods and other enhancements if they want to modify that funnel to their business. That's a training process. So once that's completed, the funnel then runs, and they get all the benefits of running that funnel for their own affiliate things. So that's the third point, is that these are great for affiliate marketing, because a lot of the pieces and things that we put into these funnels to make a system that actually performs and then helps the business grow are then themselves affiliate products. And in fact, in the description of this video, you'll find one of the first links that's listed there is a cheat sheet that I put together that describes all the products that I use on a daily basis that are affiliate products, and tells you how to activate those as affiliates for your own use. So that cheat sheet is available for free, and it'll be in the description below this video. Just the act of going through and doing the modifications is quite an educational process in itself. So that's why we give away funnels. We give away software, particularly if it's duplicatable and a usable system that has further use by the receiver, and they can do the same thing if they want to. So with that, I'm going to sign off again for this video, and ask that you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, because there'll be more videos coming soon. And with that, I'll say cheers, and see you in the next one. Thank you.